snorkeling in Silverado is a great fun. And the guides, they take very good care of you. Enjoy.
Look down and breathe under the water for 2 or 3 seconds. I want to see if everything's okay. How do you feel with your lips are moving? Go back into the water. Look into the water and breathe into the water. When you got 2 by 2, go 30 gentlemen. Locals in and just lean forward. See how you guys float nice and easy? Beautiful, eh? Alright, James is going to press the safety roll. Get onto your back with me. 1, roll onto your back. You guys can come in, elbows in the row, forward. See how you float, ladies? Oh, beautiful, eh? Yeah, you're going to give me a roll. 3, 2, 1, roll onto your back. Do that, okay? Hold those back in line. Yeah, hard.
Maniti.
Yeah, that's okay.